Okay, VESA mount project, 3 minutes or less, here we go. This is the final product, but what was the problem? I have two monitors, they are not VESA mount compatible. This monitor. So in order to hook it up to an arm to float above my desk, I needed these brackets. They worked for some time, they were fine, but when I had them horizontal, great. Vertical, no good. You see that gap? That gap is no good. It's ugly and we could fix it. So let's do that. The bottom right, I have my design history. I'm just kind of figuring things out here in the middle. I figured out that there's a bolt hole in the top that I can use. Figuring out measurements here. This is the first example of the clip to mount to the bottom using the pre-existing hardware. I was originally going to drill 2 holes through it, but I realized just that clip right there was sufficient to hold up the weight of the monitor. In fact, I picked up the entire monitor with nothing but that bracket, and it was perfectly secure, as demonstrated here. This is just figuring out the spacings for the holes, and here we are 3D printing out the final bracket. Looking good. Oh, hit a little snag there. Better fix that, and there we go. Fully complete. Nice. All right, now we're going to put in the bolts. These are carriage bolts, so they have a little square in the back, or on the top of the bolt. Keeps it from sliding around in the socket. This is a 75 by 75 millimeter VESA mount, so that all hooks in there nice and easy. That was the easy part. Here's the real test. Nice. That's a good fit. All right, so bottom secured. Now let's secure the top. And here we are. Perfect fit pretty much. And that definitely supports the weight of the monitor. No problem at all. Follows the curves and everything. Everything worked out perfect. And the only hardware, this used all pre-existing hardware except for that one screw in the top, which is just something I found around the house. So here we are, hooking it up. Nice. And again, this top one was upside down to reduce the bezel size. And in the end, I think this is a successful project. It's definitely better than it was before. This really exemplifies the differences there. So successful. And that's how we got to the final product. Thank you.